karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox Rado Florence Classic Jubilee. So guys, for your reference, the model number of this watch is r48912723, and this particular model is for males. So let us take it out, and guys, while I'm taking it out, I would like to tell you I paid about 348 Omani Reals for it, which is equal to 904 American dollars. So guys, here it is. So this is Rado Jubilee Florence Classic. So guys, this model is the latest model in this series. It is 2022 edition, and let us take it out. So guys, now you can see what Rado did is it has reduced the size of the box. Okay, so you can pack your watches in the box, and the box is very compact. Okay, so guys, here this is. So before we come to the watch, let us see what else comes in the box. Okay, so guys, this watch, it comes with 2 years international warranty and a instruction manual and a certificate for the diamonds. So this watch, it comes with 4 certified diamonds, and this is the certification for the diamonds, 4 diamonds, and the clarity is VSS1 full cut, and this is the carat specification of the diamonds, and this is the international warranty. So it comes with 2 years international warranty. So guys, now let us take out the watch. So guys, here it is. So Rado Jubilee Florence Classic. So guys, this particular model, it is steel and rose gold in color. Okay, so it has steel finish and it has rose gold. So is the dial. Okay, from the side you can see it is steel finish, and on the top you have a rose gold ring on it, and you can see the 4 certified diamonds at all the 4 major position: 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. And the date in this watch comes at 6 o'clock position. So guys, this is a male's watch. Okay, and the case size of this watch is about 38 mm. So it comes with the sapphire crystal glass, and it offers water protection up to 50 meters, and it is a quartz. It is not an automatic watch. So guys, that's pretty much in this. Okay, so guys, before we end this video, I will wear it on my wrist so that you can have an idea like how it looks on the wrist. Okay, this is how you open it. Just pull it out, and so this is little big on my wrist, so I did not remove the links, and here it is. So guys, that's pretty much for today. So guys, this was Rado Jubilee Florence Classic. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, more watch reviews, and all kind of stuff. All of you, thanks for watching, and stay tuned.